Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here, and it's been a while since I posted a new video because I'm very busy with my personal life. So hopefully from now on I can start posting regularly like I used to, alright? So again, thank you guys for the support. Without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Today I'll show you guys the crossover footwork. This kind of advanced footwork, and it consists of few steps. But don't worry, we're going to slowly go through all of it. Now first step, I'm going to swing my right leg over and my left leg going to cross over to the side of my right leg, like this, right? Okay, so now for the second step, I'm going to put my right leg to the side and to the ground, switch, place my left hand, bring out my right hand. Okay, continue. I'm going to put my left leg here, so I'm going to switch my positions here so you can see better, to the back of my right leg, like this. Okay, moving on, I'm going to slowly go down, and I'm going to keep my right leg straight and bend my left leg. Alright, from here we're going to continue again at the first steps. I'm going to cross over again, put my right leg back down. Now my left hand is on the ground, left leg is on the back of my right leg, switch. Okay, again, continue the first step. Now we're gonna do all the steps, put it up together, and we're gonna slowly go through one by one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now a little bit faster. That's about it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and like always, if you have any questions or any other move that you want to learn, just feel free to let me know in the comment section below. That's about it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.